How to make money selling on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to make money selling on Facebook Marketplace. So there are different ways of selling on Facebook Marketplace, but I'm going to be showing you some of the easiest way on doing it. So now to begin with, first thing first, make sure that you already have listed your items. Now what you'll need to do is go ahead and open up your Facebook account and then log in into your Facebook account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Right on this page, you can see right on top there are multiple tools. So from the list, you need to go ahead and tap the marketplace icon. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the button as sell. So tap the sell button from the left hand side bar, and after that you'll need to select or create a listing, such as whether you want to sell an items, vehicle, or home for sale or rent. So select the particular category. After that, you need to list the items, such as the description regarding the items. So here you'll be able to find a file or a folder where you need to list out all of these information, such as you'll need to add the photo of that particular item, title, price, category, condition, description, and many more. So once you've done that, what you'll have to do is you need to price the item low as well, and after that you can also re-evaluate the items regularly. Apart from it, you can also go ahead and be willing to negotiate. You can also spread it to the world, which means you can share it with your friends and family or your close contact, whatever. And these things are some of the ways to make money selling on Facebook Marketplace. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.